Hi Aries, welcome to your daily love reading. My name is Pretty and I'll be doing your love reading today. So before we begin with your love reading, Aries, please do remember to take what resonates and to leave behind whatever does not. Okay, so let's begin with your love reading, Aries. Okay, so at the bottom of the deck, we have the Seven of Swords in the reverse, and this is air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So in the reverse, this is an energy of transparency. Someone could actually want to confess something to you, or you could want to confess something to someone, but there's this feeling of wanting open, honest communication, wanting to lead with clear intentions, wanting to, not play games. There's that kind of energy here. So let's see. We have the Ten of Wands, fire energy, the Queen of Swords, air energy, and the Page of Wands, fire energy. So there could have been a very exhausting connection that you could have had with someone where perhaps there was a lot of struggle, power struggles, or just burdensome. And there's this feeling of you may have detached or turned your back on that because there's this feeling of being burnt out. And with the Queen of Swords, you may have actually like cut someone off or confronted someone with, like a very direct, blunt kind of way. And, it's like this person feels like when it comes to you, they have to come correct. Like they feel like they have to be honest with you. And there's an energy of someone reaching out, and with the Seven of Swords in the reverse, they're reaching out with the truth. They want to communicate in an honest way. So let's clarify these cards. Okay, we have the Queen of Wands, and this is fire energy, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo energy. So very direct energy, they're coming towards you. And there's a feeling of them approaching you on your level. We're seeing mature kind of communication coming in here. Okay, we have the Page of Wands again, fire energy, the Six of Pentacles, earth energy, and the Two of Pentacles in the reverse, earth energy. So yeah, there's a feeling here of wanting to set the record straight. This is someone who's gained clarity on their end, so they want to also extend that to you. They feel like they owe it to you. They owe you some sort of explanation or apology. They want to make things right with the Six of Pentacles. They want to balance out the scales. So I'm gonna pull out an oracle card for you. Okay, we have emotions are running high, super moon. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. We also have heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So they do want to have a heart-to-heart with you. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have domestic happiness and devoted affection. I will win thee in my arms, so doth the woodbine, the honeysuckle, gently entwist. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out a card for your advice. Okay, we have surrender to the magic of who you are. We all have magic in us, even in the mundane aspects of life. Remember that you are a magical being with the uniqueness and worth that come from just being you. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing for you, Aries. I hope you have a really, really good day, Aries. Bye, Aries.